how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Claire and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare popcorn. So let us get started. So we'll only need 3 ingredients in order to make our popcorns, and those are some raw popcorn seeds. You can buy them in any well-stocked supermarket at a very affordable price. We are going to need some cooking oil, and we are also going to need some salt because we are doing salted popcorns. So let us get started. Our popcorns are finally ready. They didn't take long to prepare. They only took 3 minutes or less to prepare. They are so delicious. Trust me on that. And they're so simple to make. Kindly subscribe down below and turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video every Saturday. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. Until next time, guys. Bye.